guys, Mary here with 𝗖𝗚 Heating and Cooling. We are out at Black Dog Distillery in Plainfield, where we recently wrapped up a project installing 2 new high efficiency furnaces, 2 heat pump 𝗗𝗶𝘀 inverters high efficiency, 2 ERV systems, along with a kitchen exhaust and spiral venting. So come with me and I'll show you inside. Okay guys, we're inside Black Dog Distillery, just wrapping up the spiral venting that we just installed. That continues through. We also have our 2 new high efficiency furnaces that were installed inside the ceiling, along with the kitchen exhaust. Two new carrier thermostats. And then if you come with me to the outside, I will show you the new heat pump 𝗗𝗶𝘀 unit inverters we just installed. Excited to get them up and running. Hopefully Black Dog will be open here shortly and we can all visit.